Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, July 5th, 2022. It is 7:01 and 6 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, dementia. So let's hop to it here. And predicting the future, a quick easy scan can reveal late life dementia risk. Date June 28, 2022. Source, Edith Cowan University. Researchers have discovered an important link between vascular health and late life dementia, discovering the calcification of plaques within the abdominal aorta to be a reliable marker for late life dementia. Late life dementia is becoming increasingly common in people after 80 years of age. Late life dementia develops when brain cells are damaged from several diseases, some of which cause narrowing of the blood vessels to the brain. And this link is calcification of the plaques, which can build up within the abdominal aorta, which is the largest artery in the body and supplies oxygenated blood from the heart to the abdominal organs and lower limbs. And this calcium buildup, known as abdominal aortic calcification, can be very useful to predict cardiovascular disease risk, such as heart attack and stroke. But researchers have now found it is also a reliable marker for late life dementia. Researchers examined the abdominal aorta calcification results in 968 women from the late 1990s and then followed their health status for over 15 years. They found 1 in 2 older women had medium to high levels of abdominal aorta calcification, and these women were twice as likely to be hospitalized or die from late life dementia, independent of other cardiovascular factors or genetic factors. Researchers said abdominal aorta calcification could identify dementia risk earlier in people's lives, which can prove vital in warding off the condition. There is an adage in dementia research that what's good for your heart is good for your brain. And this study reaffirms this link and further adds to our understanding of late onset, dementia risk, and potential preventive strategies. What has come to light is the importance of modifying risk factors, such as diet and physical activity, in preventing dementia. You need to intervene early, and hopefully this study allows for the earliest possible change and the greatest impact. Abdominal aorta calcification is important as it was able to identify dementia risk in people who don't have the major genetic risk factor present in 50% of people who develop Alzheimer's disease, which is the most common form of dementia. Conveniently, abdominal aorta calcification can be easily detected using lateral spine scans from bone density machines. And these machines are common, with some 600,000 bone density tests performed each year in Australia to screen for osteoporosis. Researchers say an additional scan capturing lateral spine images can be performed when people undergo standard bone density tests. It is generally very quick and easy to capture these scans, and they are less invasive, cheaper and minuscule, and radiation exposure compared to X-rays or CT scans. We know the cause of abdominal aorta calcification go beyond traditional cardiovascular risk factors, and many of these causes overlap with late life dementia risk factors. Researchers are also working with a computer science team automating the abdominal aorta calcification assessments, which will make the process a lot quicker and easier, rather than needing a trained imaging expert to read the scans. It means these scans may be a cheap, rapid and safe way to screen a large number of susceptible older Australians for higher late life dementia risk. Researchers say incorporating dementia risk into discussions surrounding cardiovascular health can see people make necessary lifestyle changes. The next step is telling people about their abdominal aorta calcification and late life dementia risk, and see if this can motivate healthy diet and lifestyle behavioral changes. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.